BT Plus welcomes you to a new episode of deep diving into the what-if questions that shape our reality. Today, we discuss a superpower that controls the trajectory of the global economy and technology, a country that accounts for roughly one-fifth of the world's population, and the largest industrial and geopolitical center of gravity. We are talking, of course, about China. This nation is not just a landmass. It is a history, a culture, a workforce, and a formidable economic power shaped by decades of astonishing ascent. But the question today is not about its present, but about its absence. What if, in a radical historical shift, China never developed as a unified, influential state or as a massive industrial powerhouse? Let's assume the geographic area remained fragmented or weak throughout the modern era. What would our world look like today? What voids would the absence of the Asian dragon leave? And how would these be filled on the global stage? Prepare for a comprehensive journey into the parallel dimensions to uncover the profound repercussions of the absence of the most crucial rising player of the 21st century. 1. Economic fallout, the severed supply chain, and the cost crisis. The missing manufacturing giant, who replaces the world's factory. China's absence would mean the collapse of the structure upon which modern globalization was built. China was not just a producer, it was the global cost optimizer. It provided the capacity to produce massive volumes at a low cost, allowing for general price deflation and increased profit margins for Western corporations. The cost impact. Everything, quite literally everything, would be more expensive. Smartphones, children's toys, furniture, essential medical equipment, and even the components used to build other factories. This would not cause temporary inflation, but chronic structural inflation that would reshape the standard of living in the West. Consumers would be paying double or triple what they pay today for many goods. Multiple dispersed replacements. The production capacity would not shift to a single nation, but to regional clusters. Southeast Asia. Countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, and Malaysia would experience unprecedented growth, attracting massive investments. However, they lack the infrastructure and massive population size to fully compensate for the void. India. India would be the biggest and most obvious beneficiary given its population size and capacity to absorb investment, but it would face immense bureaucratic and logistical challenges, slowing the pace of manufacturing transfer. Mexico, Latin America. Mexico would become the primary manufacturing base for North America due to geographical proximity and trade agreements, reinforcing nearshoring and making supply chains shorter, more reliable, but more expensive. Eastern Europe and Turkey. These would serve Western Europe, significantly raising their economic and political standing within and outside the European Union. Global debt dynamics and currency balance. China today is the principal foreign holder of U.S. government debt. The absence of this Asian bank would mean higher interest rates. U.S. governments and global corporations would face a significantly higher cost of borrowing, as the massive purchaser of their bonds has vanished. This would have hampered global economic growth for decades. A less potent dollar. The strength of the US dollar as a global reserve currency would be less entrenched, as America would have to seek more diversified and scattered funding sources. 2. Geopolitical shifts, a reshaped Asia, absolute American hegemony, and the lack of bipolarity. The absence of America's largest economic and geopolitical rival would completely change the landscape. The United States would have been the sole, undisputed global superpower for 5 decades. Absence of balance, Western influence would completely dominate decisions at the UN, IMF, and World Bank without any strong, sustained opposing veto besides a weakened Russia. This would enable the US to pursue unilateral policies without genuine opposition. Military focus. Without a Chinese rival in the Pacific, U.S. military spending might have been reduced or entirely redirected toward other threats like terrorism, but its naval and air dominance in Asia would be absolute. Redefining East Asia, Japan and South Korea as regional great powers. Without a Chinese rival, Japan and South Korea, owing to their technological and industrial strength, would become the undisputed economic powers in East Asia. Their investments and cultural influence would become the real driving force on the Asian continent. The fate of Taiwan, the island of Taiwan, or the Republic of China, would gain full and undisputed international recognition. It would become the world's most critical technological center for semiconductor manufacturing without the existing geopolitical pressure. An isolated Russia. Russia would lose its most significant trading and strategic partner. This would make it far more susceptible to Western pressure, economically and militarily weaker, and significantly diminish its capacity to challenge NATO or launch large-scale military operations. The Missing Belt and Road Initiative. The disappearance of China would mean the disappearance of the Belt and Road Initiative, which reshaped infrastructure and ports across Asia, Africa, and Europe. This would leave a massive financing void. Africa and the Middle East. These regions would remain primarily dependent on traditional Western lending with stricter conditions, leading to slower infrastructure development. Loss of economic diplomacy. China's absence would remove this new model of diplomacy that blends trade with loans, keeping international relations more conventional and focused on older military alliances. 3. Technology and the digital competition. Complete U.S. technological monopoly. Global technological competition would be significantly diminished. U.S. companies would enjoy absolute dominance without any serious challenger. Artificial intelligence. The massive data volumes and state-backed investments that China poured into AI were a key factor forcing the U.S. to compete at the same pace. Without this competitive drive, AI development would remain slower and monopolized within a small number of American firms. 5G and telecommunications. The market for telecommunications infrastructure would be completely dominated by European giants and perhaps Korean players. There would be no trade war over national security concerns regarding Huawei equipment. Social media and e-commerce platforms. There would be no TikTok, no Alibaba, and no WeChat. This would cement the monopoly of Meta, Amazon, and Google over global information and commerce, reducing consumer choice and making data control excessively centralized. The green transition and rare earths crisis. China currently controls 80% of the global battery supply chain and is the largest processor and manufacturer of rare earth elements essential for EVs, converters, and modern military equipment. Delayed green transition. China's absence would cause a catastrophic delay in clean energy plans. Battery costs would be much higher, and electric vehicles would remain a luxury product for longer, hindering the fight against climate change. Boom in resource producers. Resource-rich countries like Australia, Chile, and the DRC would become massive investment targets to establish local rare earth processing plants, diversifying global reliance away from a single source. 4. The cultural, historical, and human resource dimension. Demographics and environment. The absence of over 1.4 billion people from the planet would dramatically alter the demographic and environmental equation. Eased environmental pressure. The pressure on water resources, carbon emissions, and air pollution in Asia would be significantly less. The world would gain decades to combat climate change before it reached current levels. Global labor crisis. Conversely, the global labor market would face an acute shortage of cheap and skilled labor simultaneously. The problem of aging populations in the West would become far more severe without a massive source of migrating labor to exploit. Lost global culture and history. While focusing on modern China, its absence also means the absence of a civilization spanning millennia. Lost history. The foundational inventions of the Han civilization, such as paper, gunpowder, and the compass, would have reached the West much later, potentially slowing down the progress of the European Middle Ages. Hollywood and censorship. The absence of the immense Chinese film market would mean Hollywood would not have to worry about tailoring its films to appease Chinese censorship or sensitivities. This would grant filmmakers greater creative freedom. Global tourism. The global tourism industry would lose its largest source of affluent tourists, who are a lifeline for many economies. A world without China is a world that is more expensive, suffering from more structural inflation and perhaps slower growing overall, but it lacks the geopolitical complexity and balance created by competition. It would have resulted in absolute U.S. technological and economic dominance, but it would have offered a chance for more self-sustained growth in countries like India, Vietnam, and Japan. Ultimately, China's presence as a rising power forced the world to innovate, seek diverse supply chains, and, crucially, created an alternative pole that compelled other major powers to reevaluate their strategies. Its absence would have shaped a radically different world, perhaps less competitive, but with a far more concentrated locus of power. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the absence of China would have made the world more prosperous or more stable? What other unexpected ramifications do you foresee? We look forward to your opinions and aspirations for the upcoming episodes. Don't forget to subscribe and support BT+. See you next time.